Hey, what's up guys? It's C4 Sages back again with another video. This one's actually going to be a tutorial video, and I'm essentially going to show you how to fully set up your current Canon camera or your brand new Canon camera if you don't have a cam link, and I'm going to show you basically how to set up and install your EOS Webcam Utility Beta. So enough damn words and let's get to it. Alright guys, so first thing you want to do is go to the Canon website. Again, this only works with Canon cameras, okay? Canon cameras. So if you're using a Sony camera, if you're using any other type of camera, it will not work unless, you know, they decide to develop something. But this works for Canon cameras, and the camera that I'm currently using is the EOS Rebel T7. And the next thing you want to do is click on drivers and downloads. You can also scroll down and eventually you'll get to it, but you know, you could just click on that. And the thing you want to download is the EOS Webcam Utility Beta 0.9 for Windows. And this is what's going to allow you to use your Canon camera without a cam link. So you download the file. Once the file is downloaded, this should come up: EOS Webcam Utility. And you should get the Windows installer package. I already have it installed, of course, but make sure that you install that. So from there, essentially what you want to do is, once you've downloaded your Webcam Utility Beta, you're going to want to go to your sources, which is right here. And this is, I'm using this on Streamlabs, but if you're using regular OBS, if you're using XSplit, Stream Elements, just make sure you add either to your pre-existing scene or a new scene. Then you go to sources. Essentially you add a new source. For me it would be a video capture device. Once you add that source, you click on webcam. I'm gonna cancel this because this is still in beta form, so it can be a little bit buggy. It does work really well, but it can get very buggy. So for me, I have this closed off right now because, or actually I have the camera off because when I'm running in these settings, it sometimes acts a bit wonky, and that's just personally for me. If you have a faster PC or something that can handle a lot of CPU, you should be fine. But you essentially add a webcam as your source. I'm gonna go here. As you can see, it says EOS Webcam Utility Beta. It will definitely show, absolutely guaranteed. You're just gonna select it, and I highly suggest to keep device, your resolution FPS type to device default, and always keep your camera in manual settings. You could do it in automatic, but when you keep it in manual settings, it definitely should work a lot more. Let me know if you need any help in the comments below. That's essentially what you have to do. Oh, and lastly, don't forget to plug in your USB. This one doesn't have like any of the new USB ports, like USB port 3, or type 3, I should say. It doesn't have that. It has kind of like the older generation one, which is fine. But just make sure once you install the utility, the webcam utility, once you download that, it will be there. It should work just fine, and this will also work. It should work ideally with Zoom meetings, and things like that. I haven't really given that a try, but I've seen videos out there, and I'm actually going to post another video that also helped me out, from this other YouTuber, and I can't remember her name, but she makes really great content. So I'm gonna put that in the description below, and let me know if it worked out for you, if it didn't. we can see if we could work together to figure it out. Anyway, guys, I've said enough. I will see you guys in the next video. My name is Steve for Sages, and I'm out. Peace.
Oh, you have a shield. So, just reloaded. So, fuck, just go for it, dude.